So what does getting an accredited or a regulated certificate mean? Well, that's a good question, and one which we get asked a lot. So let's take 2 minutes to fully understand each certificate level and which one is best for you and your career. First off, be assured that both levels are ideal for newcomers. And you should know that all of our courses are created by experts with many years' experience. Premier TEFL certificates are internationally recognized, which means that employers value your training with us. But most importantly, they'll hire you. In fact, 80% of our graduates get teaching jobs either online or abroad. Choosing between TEFL course levels really comes down to what you want to do with your qualification, how much money you want to earn, or where you want to teach. In terms of study time, an accredited course can take 3 weeks to complete, while a regulated course around 6 weeks. Let's look at an accredited certificate. This certificate is the minimum global training standard. It's right for you if you want to get qualified quickly and affordably, and you hope to get your first job in high teacher demand areas such as Asia. It will also be accepted if you want to teach online. How about regulated courses? These are suitable if you're considering a career change or hope to work in areas such as Europe, or you want to sign up with a top online teaching platform. If any of these sound right to you, then consider taking the course which leads to a certificate from the Office of Qualifications and Examinations, or OFQUAL for short. This is an English government regulatory body, and our regulated TEFL courses are all at what's known as Level 5. This means that they are equivalent to a CELTA, or a Diploma of Higher Education. These courses are structured so that your submitted coursework is assessed by a qualified tutor. The good news is that you can expect higher earnings with a regulated certificate, which is only fair after so much hard work.